guys and girls, I'm excited to bring you Berlin, one of the 4 new Petite collection styles from Estetica Designs. Berlin is the Petite sister to Avalon, one of Estetica's most popular mid-length styles. Berlin is a below-the-shoulder style with these loose waves throughout. What I love most about the Berlin Avalon style is that the gentle waves and layers give you a feminine look with plenty of volume and movement. This style features a temple-to-temple sheer 100% hand-tied lace front and a 100% hand-tied lace part on the left. This is a regular synthetic style. Well, let's take a closer look. Berlin's wig cap features a temple-to-temple lace front that is sheer and 100% hand-tied. There is a left-hand side lace part that is also hand-tied, and it's quite generous in the parting space, so you can move the part. Under this fabric mesh is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its volume and lift. On either side of the cap, you have these fabric adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The fabric nape has hook adjusters on either side, which can adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. Here is Berlin. This is a gorgeous style with tons of volume and movement. I love the wave pattern, which is simply feminine and beautiful. The cap size on Berlin measures 21 inches in circumference, perfect for all of you with a petite head size. Now it does have the adjusters in the back, which can adjust the circumference of the wig cap ½ inch. My head measures 22 inches in circumference, which is average. I would normally wear an average size wig. However, Berlin does indeed fit me very snug with the adjustable straps on the loosest setting. However, it's not uncomfortable. I feel like Berlin could be an option for me. The fiber is a regular synthetic Moda acrylic high quality fiber. It feels so soft and silky to the touch. And see how it flows through my fingers? It mimics human hair. I'm very pleased with this fiber. There's no shine. It's just perfect. The lace front is very well done. Temple to temple and sheer. The lace part is also exceptional. Look at that. It's a nice parting space and gives the illusion of hair growing right from the scalp. As I showed you in the cap section earlier in this video, the parting space is quite wide and generous. So if you wanted to take this left-hand part and make it look more like a center part, you can do that. Let's take a look at the gorgeous Berlin from all sides. The front, left side, the back, plenty of volume, plenty of movement. Right side. Berlin's measurements are 10½ inches long at the front. The sides measure 10½ inches long. The crown measures 12½ inches long. And the nape measures 9½ inches long. Now with a weight of 4.3 ounces, you know that you're getting a lot of density, plenty of hair to work with. Let's talk about this fantastic color. This is a beautiful multi-dimensional auburn color, R30 28 26. It's a medium auburn, light auburn, and golden blonde blend. You can see the golden blonde here. Very beautiful. It looks like you spent a couple $100s at the salon getting several colors put into this beautiful auburn shade. Well, let's take a closer look at this color outside in natural light. Now when it comes out of the box, you know the wave pattern is quite significant. You can always take a wide tooth comb and comb out the waves to give it a softer look. So that is certainly an option. Now I like the distinct wave pattern. I think it's very pretty. Now if you want more volume than this, you can just get your fingers in here and tease up the top. You can also back comb, although you have to be careful with back combing because eventually it can damage the regular synthetic fiber. This style does look beautiful, tucked behind the ear, a very natural look. Now you have this great lace front, so you could even wear this style off the face. You have enough length with Berlin that you could secure this wig back in a low ponytail. You could braid Berlin and create plenty of intricate, beautiful updos. You could also pull the sides back and clip it with a claw clip. You can also create a quick updo by pulling the length back, giving it a twist, and using a claw clip. If you're interested in purchasing Berlin, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry Berlin and all of the new styles in the Estetica Petites collection. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to their website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear Berlin, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.